am celebrating my 55th birthday this year, and I would love for you to celebrate with me. I will be decorating all month in purple, my signature color. So if you would like to join me in celebrating my birthday, create a purple tablescape, purple decor, purple vignette, purple anything by way of saying happy birthday to your girl and letting me know how much you love me. And the birthday celebration continues. I've started off this tablescape with a white faux fur runner. Then I came in with my white lacy edge chargers from Hobby Lobby, purple dinnerware, and then white saucers on top. I've come in with some purple candles and purple candle holders, and the rest you'll see at the reveal. Happy Tablescape Tuesdays, everyone. The ladies of elegance bring this open playlist to you every week. Myself and the Grace Life DIY home decor. Links to both our channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So to complete this beautiful tablescape, I came in with my DIY footstool on top of my faux fur runner. And then on that, I've placed my DIY mirrored gift box on top as a little birthday present just for me. And to accent my table, I came in with some of my shoe collection in shades of purple, just to celebrate my birthday. And I hope you like it. Let me know what you think in those comments. Now, if this is your first time visiting, I would love to welcome you to the channel. My name is Courtney, and I love sharing my passion for decorating, DIYs, thrift flips, shopping hauls, and more. So if you enjoy this type of content, honey, you have reached the right channel. If you're enjoying this video, do me a favor and give me a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. I've completed this tablescape with purple coasters and purple glassware, white napkins with pearly napkin rings that I thrifted, and my beautiful purple iridescent flatware. So let me know what you think in those comments. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank all of my subscribers, both my new subscribers and my subscribers who have rode with me since the very beginning. I thank you so much for your support, and I thank you for taking time out of your day to watch my video and wish me a happy birthday. So until next time.